business owner khudimak amadi service provider, consultant, coach amadi business tawjariba ichinnaw mayam se sales se aduki matik pambiramgani ayaksu pami ko ayaksu business laijabanina somgisu business laibiramgani tawadabu miyoiba kawbanina business ama tawjaribnina mahakki cash flow je nungtigi lakpa sin pungtimna pambiramgani adubu cash flow je laknaba somna kai tobigre somgi computer su laibiramgani adagi amadi somna business tawribnina somsu aigi product se hena chatnaba na somdi kari process amadi aigi sigi sales se hengalaknaba somnadi kari tobigre haibase business owner khudimakna hangbirabra hangdragadi mayamda ngasi yamna tentakna aigi side de su ai secret ama khadang pizage especially kamaina somgi lejariba product oceanu services oceanu si mato karamna kamaina yam line yolakani amadi cash flow nti prokani number 1 mayamna di khanbiramgani aigi product yamna pharagadi market time do no adu completely lale mayamna nangonda kedobigi pot se leido no haiba question je khangbiyoba why should anyone care about you not your product Hoji aina product ICD ma'am any product amma change over yai to woda bunang di change over yaroiba ko you being the CEO you being the business owner you can change any product at any time but the problem is you can't change your name you can't change your face at all ko adu itaragadi somna business talk matamda somgi mindset ta product hane to ubirakanoba somje kari hairage natraga mayamna somna haidu kilobi thajaraktono adu kamaina potse kamai yolakani number 1 Sigi problems khana biram bayai khana biram da bayai ko somna school da college da tarpura si sungtam dam moy ai joy gi mentor gi tame you first product second amazing you can sense product anytime adubu som da su som gi tonality som gi body language sinariba wahi ji supna gi 10% khatane ba adu oitaragadi somna product ama yon gi high matam da isa je fit oiba mathok ta bra ta dabra just think about it so aduna lak riba February gi tara humdoi tara mari tara manga classic grande da akoina live ta some product pubiro service pubiro aduga live ta sigi product or services kamaina traffic porkani amadi laiba traffic naam ja koina qualified oiba leads kamaina convert torkani somgi laiga doba customer ready made da laiba customer koi kamaina build torkani amadi qualified oiba client naam ja koi kamaina sales torkani have ja koi live ta somgi product yon jageba kayuma somgi product sina service sina yonma ngamdragadi this is the exact program you need to learn this and you will see on live kamaina yon ge da som haibi horo hanjan som yam kanna khona bi taragasu pot yonma ngamdragadi that's a system problem when it comes to sales so if you really wanted to join this comment ASKSUR and we will see whether you qualified to join this type of program see mipung khudimak kinate especially business owner में आमना हुजी लाइबा product or services योन मंगम दबदो खजिकता ओइतार सु दुमित हुमी सिदा कोई live ता कोई takjagani see free nate this is only for action takers who wants to learn and sell your product or services in the next 3 days and we'll show you exactly we are the different from the rest of the people who are doing workshop in the state of Manipur. Thank you everyone and I'll see you inside the workshop. Bye bye.